Most mechanical keyboards sold online are overpriced gimmicks built to fail after a few months. Pick wrong and you waste money and miss that perfect typing feel. Are you tired of fragile builds and mushy switches spoiling your workflow? This video cuts through the hype and shows you the real, reliable picks. Today, I'm going to be going over the best mechanical keyboards that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Logitech G413 SE. Right from unboxing, the full-size mechanical keyboard exudes rugged build quality with a metal top case and durable PBT keycaps. Its brushed aluminum top case blends sleek aesthetics with robust structural integrity for long-lasting performance throughout intensive gaming sessions. The standard full-size layout includes a numeric keypad and 12 function media keys, offering quick control without sacrificing gaming-oriented ergonomics. 6 key rollover anti-ghosting guarantees reliable input during rapid key presses, making it a practical choice for fast-paced competitive play. The white LED backlighting provides clean visibility for late-night sessions, enabling consistent key illumination without distracting color effects. The keyboard uses a brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top case, which minimizes flex and adds to the platform stability during aggressive typing and gaming. With USB-C wired connectivity, it delivers low latency and reliable power delivery while maintaining a plug-and-play setup across Windows and Mac OS. Compared to the Corsair K62, the Logitech G413 SE delivers solid reliability, but with a more compact footprint. The pros include durable aluminum top case, PBT keycaps, and anti-ghosting performance. The cons include no wireless option and white LED lighting only. In daily typing, the G413 SE remains surprisingly comfortable with ample key travel and stable keycaps that resist wear. During rapid gaming bursts, the tactile switches provide satisfying feedback without excessive noise, helping maintain focus during long sessions. A compact tankless option is also available, offering a lighter footprint for desk setups while preserving the essential gaming features. For players seeking a sturdy, affordable mechanical keyboard, the Logitech G413 SE stands out as a compelling option. At number 4, we have the Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. From the moment you unbox this wired keyboard, it exudes versatility for gamers and productive users seeking reliable, tactile performance. The keyboard ships with a sturdy frame and double-shot PBT keycaps that resist wear while preserving clear backlight. Macro editing capability enables remapping, shortcuts, and multi-function combinations through the supplied software, enhancing efficiency in both gaming and workflow. Its hot swappable linear red switch reduces actuation force and smooths keystrokes, making long sessions less fatiguing for RPG and MMO play. With full anti-ghosting, every keystroke registers reliably even during complex combos, while 12 multimedia shortcuts provide instant access to essential controls. The compact layout prioritizes desk space, while double-shot PBT keycaps preserve legibility and durability across years of intense gaming sessions. In real-world testing, latency remained minimal and key rollover stayed consistent under rapid inputs, translating to steady performance during fast-paced shooters. When stacked against the rival Logitech G Pro keyboard, the Redragon model delivers richer backlight customization and macro editing, while materials feel tougher. The pros include macro editing versatility, extensive backlight options, and durable construction. The cons include fixed backlight color options despite multiple speeds, and the absence of wireless connectivity limits placement flexibility. The double-shot PBT keycaps maintain legibility under prolonged use and resist shine, while the compact form fits limited desk setups. Redragon backs this keyboard with a 24-month warranty and responsive support, ensuring repairs or replacements if issues appear. At this price, it represents strong value for budget gamers while delivering sturdy performance and 12 multimedia shortcuts. Overall, this Redragon keyboard balances affordability, macro flexibility, and durable build, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious gamers. At number 3, we have the Rii RK100 From the first glance, the keyboard showcases a vivid rainbow backlight and a layout that balances flair with practical comfort. This model targets gamers and office workers seeking a tactile, affordable keyboard that feels premium without the premium price. The full-size footprint with 105 keys provides a familiar typing and gaming experience that many users already trust. Its dimensions translate to a practical desk presence, staying compact enough for crowded setups while offering ample key spacing. The keyboard ships with 11 multimedia key shortcuts and a dedicated light control scheme for quick media tweaks. Designed to work across Windows 7, 8, 10, Linux, Chrome OS, and Mac OS family, it embraces broad compatibility. Backlight breathing mode activates through a simple FN plus light key combo, while 3 taps can turn the glow off altogether. In value terms, it compares favorably with the budget-friendly Redragon K556, delivering similar features at a surprisingly low price. The pros include a compact design that saves desk space, an approachable budget-friendly price, and readily accessible multimedia shortcuts that streamline tasks. The cons include not a true mechanical keyboard and a plastic chassis. In performance tests, the wired USB connection delivered stable input latency and reliable keystroke recognition during both office tasks and gaming sessions. Backlight options proved vibrant under normal lighting, and the breathing effect remained smooth without noticeable lag during extended use. 10-minute inactivity sleep helps conserve energy, and pressing any key wakes the keyboard with backlights returning instantly. Users upgrading from a membrane keyboard will appreciate the tactile feel, reliable multimedia shortcuts, and a layout that keeps you productive. If you want a budget-wired keyboard that offers a mechanical feel with vivid lighting and broad OS support, this model earns a strong recommendation. At number 2, we have the Redragon K556, a feature-rich mechanical keyboard crafted for gamers and productivity alike. From first touch, the tank's solid aluminum base exudes durability, while the brushed surface conveys premium aesthetics suited for enthusiasts and office setups. Its true hot swap compatibility opens a world of customization, letting you swap 3-pin and 5-pin switches without soldering. The full-size layout spans 104 keys, offering standard functionality with dedicated function keys while keeping a compact desk footprint. Designed to entice enthusiasts and serious gamers alike, the K556 balances rugged metal construction with an approachable price point that still feels premium. The chassis sports an aluminum base with a brushed finish, delivering rigid stability on the desk and a high-quality tactile typing feel. Hot swappable with a broad range of switch types, the brown tactile option provides balanced feedback suitable for long sessions. With up to 20 presets, the vibrant RGB backlighting scales brightness and speed on board while enabling personalized moods for games and productivity. On the hardware level, the extensive color spectrum and adjustable effects deliver immersive visual feedback in gaming or work scenarios. The included software unlocks macro programming and key binding customization, letting you craft new modes and effects to streamline workload and gameplay. The macro software capabilities unlock complex macros and shortcuts, elevating productivity and precision for both work and play. During real-world testing, the K556 delivers reliable key registration, smooth actuation, and consistent feedback across long gaming sessions. As a direct comparison to the SteelSeries Apex keyboard, the Redragon K556 undercuts price while offering hot swap versatility. Among budget keyboards, the K556 delivers true hot swap, premium aluminum, and onboard lighting at a very appealing price. The pros include exceptionally sturdy construction with premium aluminum feel, expansive hot swap compatibility across pin types, and powerful macro software profiles. The cons include software dependence for full feature access and a wired-only design that reduces flexibility in mobile contexts. At number 1, we have the AULA F99. From the moment you unbox, the AULA F99 premium brushed aluminum shell communicates durability, refined aesthetics, and confident ergonomics during extended sessions. The keyboard weighs approximately 2.4 pounds, enabling portable yet sturdy use across a desk, couch, or travel setup. Its hot swap PCB and ability to accept 3-pin and 5-pin switches lets you customize feel without soldering. The F99 offers 3 connection methods including BT 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired mode. The macro customization, 16 RGB lighting effects, and 16.8 million colors require driver software or on-device profiles for full effect. The model uses a gasket-style design and hot swappable switches, contributing to a softer, more resilient typing experience. RGB customization and macro features are supported with driver software, enabling per-profile color schemes and key macros for gaming and productivity. Compared with the Keychron Q12 Pro, the AULA F99 delivers a sturdier gasket and smoother hot swap experience. The built-in 8,000 mAh battery powers long sessions and reduces the need for constant recharging during extended gaming marathons. The 96% layout optimizes desk space while preserving essential arrow and function keys. N-key rollover ensures simultaneous key presses register accurately, which is crucial for fast-paced multiplayer games and complex macros. The pros include excellent multi-device connectivity, hot swappable switches for customization, and long battery life. The cons include higher price than rivals and a steeper learning curve for macro and RGB customization.